So during the day today, a lot of us saw at least a little sunshine.
Yeah.
Mild temperature, but going to be cold at night.
Yeah.
We have some big swings in temperature here.
We do, and today was like a good. I mean, most people did clean up yesterday, right? But like,
yeah, we had time to do it.
It was. We've talked about this because of the pattern we're in. I'm like leaving no ground. I'm not ceding any ground because it feels like you might not get it back for a while.
Yes.
Oh, for sure.
You
Like
know?
you shovel a little
All the way
extra
to the
because
end.
you know it's gonna just slowly.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is like the most married thing that Paul and I will debate, I would say, is like she'll be the absolute narrowest path. And I'm like,
no.
that's where we're going to start in mid-February? Like, this could be...
We're always Team Paula, but I think we disagree on
that's
this
right.
one. Yeah.
I'm not Team Paula on
Nope.
this one.
Remember you guys were Team Paula when I burnt my hand on an iron she left hot? And
Yeah.
you still
Because
took her
don't
side?
grab an iron
Right.
like that.
No one does
You
that.
literally grabbed the hot,
hot part.
part.
But she put it in the closet hot.
Nope.
How is this my fault? All right, 3 in Portland for a low tonight. It's going to be cold. 1 below in Wiscasset, just about 0, more or less, here along the coastline, within a degree or 2, and we'll be 0 to 5 below inland, and then 5 to 10 below into the mountains in northern Maine. So cold, clear tonight, quiet. And quiet tomorrow, too, with more sun to start in the morning, then more clouds at the second half of the day, with an isolated snow flurry is a possibility in the mountains tomorrow late afternoon into tomorrow evening. We're going to go quickly through this because it's pretty quiet until Wednesday night. Wednesday is a sunny day, but it's not that warm. Temperatures are in the teens and 20s. This is the air mass into which our next storm system moves in. Wednesday night, after midnight mostly, and into Thursday morning. So we had a storm last Thursday, you'll recall. That one came kind of in the middle of the day, and that made it a little bit tricky. This one will come in the morning, and I think the morning commute will be tough. So here we are on midnight, 1 a.m. here on Thursday. Snow just starting to break out. Initially, it's pretty cold, so temperatures are in the teens. It's all snow and efficient snow through the early morning hours here on Thursday. And then we get into the morning commute, still snowing. And it's not until kind of the second half of the morning commute, most likely, that we start to drag in some warm air aloft. And the amount of sleet or potentially some freezing drizzle we see is being debated by the models. But there should be some over southern Maine. It's just a matter of how far north does it get through the day. Here we are midday on Thursday, done in Portland and Sanford, maybe some sleet into down East Maine, and this thing is out of here in time for the evening commute. So it's a pretty efficient, quick-hitting system, with Thursday morning being the focus of the toughest travel. 3 to 6 inches broadly. I didn't see any reason for us to get much cuter than this, and it may mix with sleet. The best chance of that will be along the coastline and into southern Maine, but it's not a guarantee that it will be enough of a mix to cause lower snowfall totals. So that's Wednesday night into Thursday morning. We get a quiet Valentine's Day. It is cold, but otherwise not a whole lot going on. Here's Saturday night. Next system comes in. And again, this model has us changing to rain and actually some strong onshore wind. Other models keep it colder and keep it mostly snow. So pencil in a storm Saturday night, Sunday. It's just a matter of what kind of system it is exactly. And then we could go into next week if you want to get real fun. There's more there too. But we won't. We'll keep it to our agreed upon 7 days here. There's a lot of wind in here too, guys. Valentine's Day is one of them. And then again on Sunday there could be some wind into Monday. So it's a blustery period with some snow. And I think Thursday morning's commute will be tough. A lot of schools, of course, heading into break week next week. And some have either no school on Friday or half day. So they may be starting early on Thursday, depending on if this timing holds. I feel like that will be one of those situations where the toughest part will be in the morning.
Right.
So they don't do
When we're all on the
reverse
road.
half days. So
Right.
yeah.
All right, Keith, thank you.